bash. Long time no see.
In the arms of the...
I could do this. Call up Kevin Hart, tell him stop laughing, cause this serious.
I have a confession to make. I'm black.
You're what? John, how come you didn't tell me you were black?
What the fuck?
Hey man, you touching me up or something?
Yeah, I got some candy and water back there. I'll suck your dick. If you need anything else, let me know.
What was that last part?
Well, rest up. You know what? You don't need all of them. Let me just give you like a little pluck. There you go. You be alright with that.
Caitlin is a bitch.
Oh my god, Caitlin, get in here! What were her last words? They're not important.
Get out of here before they get you too! Oh my god!
You still want to buy the house?
No, I'ma leave because...
Oh, I've had it up to here with your nonsense. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do with you. Why are you shouting?
Kitchen is dirty as hell. Go clean it.
Who sent you? Who?
He was trying to smother me with his mattress, so I guess you woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Yeah. You didn't get the joke.
Evan, stop touching that meter.
Hey, new neighbor, how you doing? Name's Tammy. Where's your taser now?
I didn't even give you a ticket. I just gave you a warning.
Heard about ISIS on the news. It ain't ice cream. Got one of these cocksuckers. Honey, you seen the saute pan?
He gone? Have you seen how long his chin is? It's outrageous. Oh, he's coming back. I never left. What the hell was that?
Ariel, I'm breaking up with you. But Eric, why? Why? You keep shoving forks in my hair for no reason.
Oh, this fucking self-promotion, man. You're just out of control. Come on, don't be like that. Follow me on Twitter, we can talk about it.
You're just one big clod. Monet painting, because you are a work of art.
Glitter.
That was my baby picture.
Face, titties, booty and toes, titties and booty and toes. Titties and booty and toes, titties and...
Honestly, if someone doesn't answer your text, send them a nice clean picture of your bare ass.
Here we go. I'm the new kid, moving in, getting it done, and I'm officially the candidate for having some fun, you know?
With your stank ass, looking like Ed from Good Luck with your smelly ass.
Shut up! Bro, chill out. She's a girl.
Hey, thanks, Dad, for birth. And thanks, Mom. Except for today, Mom.
Game of Thrones last night. No, I have not caught up yet. Oh, where'd you leave off? Right before the very first episode?
Hey, boy, who cut your head? Who cut your head?
Man, they stole everything. I don't know what I'm finna.
Just kill.
Nigga, no, we don't kill people. What the f?
I'm just saying.
Nigga, when did you get?
Am I supposed to eat this pizza without my drink?
Pull up.
Drink!
Headshot.
Oh my god, you smoke? Don't you know that those can kill you?
Yeah, that's kind of the point. Trying to speed this shit up.
You know that green you're wearing really brings out your thighs.
You mean my eyes?
Your eyes.
Wow. Miss Smith, could I borrow a pencil? What the? No! I need one! Derek, it's summer break! How did you get in my house?
Is this your card?
No. Yeah, you little Houdini, that is it.
Daddy, I did it again!
If your breath smells like an oven cleaning itself, brush your damn teeth! It's not that hard!
What's the Pythagorean theorem?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Yeah, I can start the job anytime. Oh! No, I'm fine. I just fell off a swing.
Son, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
You're adopted.
Oh, thank goodness.
You're happy?
Yeah, that explains a lot.
Great news, I got the reports in on time. That is such a relief, I could kiss you! No problem, Miss Hannah. Seriously, I could kiss you. Ugh, please let me kiss you.
Hey, Danny, do you want to be in a Vine collab? No. Oh. Hey, Aaron, do you want to be in a Vine?
Shut up.
Hi!
Hello.
As a couple who's been together for months and months, once I put the cigarettes down...
I said no. You sleep? Once upon a time... Who are you? Go back to sleep! Mama! I'm your mama! Mama? Once upon a...
Hey, I thought I told you to finish those reports. Finish those reports? I thought you said demolish those resorts. Oh, no.
Dude, this girl just friend-zoned me.
Yeah, me too.
It's so awesome, right? This is my new friend.
This is my new friend!
Billy, what are you doing?
I'm just hanging out. Get it? Hey, do you know what time it is? Actually, I do. Let me check my Apple Watch. It is 1:58, sir.
Everything looks good. You got the job. When can you start? My nigga, I'm already on the clock. What you need me to do next? I got you.
Introducing Mountain Dew Threat Level Orange, a citrus twist infused with Islamophobia.
Secure the border, I'm under attack!
Okay, come on, it's bedtime.
We'll never sleep, cause sleep is for the weak.
Oh my god, Rebecca, did you see that Facebook post? Are you serious? Yeah? Because you love Facebook? Yeah, I do it!
Have you ever seen anything more beautiful?
Nope! I've been walking through the jungle for days. Luckily, I was able to find some wild bacon the other day. You can see me in this video finding it.
Babe, I don't think we're gonna work out. What? Why? I asked you to pick me up highlighter the other day, and you brought back a yellow Sharpie. I didn't know.
I'ma smack the shit out of you if you don't give me my money, fam!
We smacking the shit out of nobody.
What if you're on death row and bunnies and kittens get to kill you? It put the cute in execute.
Why the fuck didn't I think of that?
Yeah, can I get a cheeseburger? That's all. Would you like cheese on that? You want more cheese, my bro? No, I don't actually. Make sure there's no meat on my cheeseburger either.
Yo, bro, let me get the aux. I got a banger. Here. The fuck is this?
There's nothing to watch.
Okay, here's a new series. Take your time. More. That was it for like the whole year, bro.
I go from touching you with both hands to touching you with no hands.
Look at me! I can't find you, mama! Oh, yeah. There we go. Why you ain't mopped the kitchen? We have a kitchen!
Barbara, I'll pay. My treat. Oh no, Denise, I got it. Ladies, we closed 3 hours ago, so someone just pay!
I can you so I got arms early.
Hey, Shan, do you have a tampon?
Oh yeah, I think I do.
Oh, thank you so much. I really needed one. I've been having a problem.
Where are you? And I'm so... I might not make it. I might not...
Hail Satan. What did you just say? I said God bless you. Oh, okay.
And hail Satan.
What?
Hey guys, a lot of people have asked me how I'm doing mentally and physically, so I thought I'd make this video to show you. Bye!
Get ready 2 hours late for work.
I'm hopping in an Uber right now. I'll be there quick.
Uber everywhere, pre-rolls in the VIP.
I 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, put a 4, 6, put a 4 now, 4 now, 5, put a 5, put a 5 now, 4,
Mine it. Where the drinks at? We in that bitch.
What's up, man? How was your weekend? Dude, it was awesome. I took shrooms. I took Molly. What about you? Took a pill and he beat. No, I'm just kidding. I took a nap.
Let's watch a Disney Channel movie.
My last savage.
If it's French for dumbass, yeah. You're a savage, alright.
So the results have came back and you're gay. Oh my god, are you serious? I gotta go tell my fucking wife.
And then I was like, man, stop, I'm gonna come.
We gotta have a talk. Yes, we fucking do.
Eiffeling, take me to your leader. This is him. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for us.
Dude, I fucking love your grandpa, dude. He's not that great, trust me.
Back in my day, cars had titties.
Don't believe him.
Oh, you have gelato on here.
What?
You have gelato. Let me get it for you.
Hey, Sam. Idiot, say what?
Huh?
Damn, you're good.
Last night your girl was all on my dick.
Calm down, calm down. 1, 2, 3.
What's your favorite animal? Mine's a griffin. Yeah, that's a good one.
You good? Hey, get in the van.
Is this a Febreze commercial?
Wait, what?
Smells like shit.
What the fuck?
Hey, could you hold my baby for a second? I gotta get my phone out of my pocket. So how many months is... Oh, damn it. Again. Not again.
I daj.
Oh!
Don't hurt yourself.